Good morning. So it is day one of our road trip up to Cam Ranh, and about 5 minutes I'm gonna go downstairs, get on the bike, and meet with the boys just down the road at Circle K, and we're gonna ride off, and I think we're taking a ferry, but I'm gonna try to enjoy my coffee first. Not too long, but I probably got a minute, and then I gotta go. That's the bike right there. Day one of our ride did not start very well. I got on my bike and turned the ignition to find that it was dead. Not really the best way to start a very early morning commute to avoid traffic. I messaged the crew and asked for help. Speaking of the crew, let me introduce them. The Englishman whose mouth runs on Energizer. The intelligent meathead. With some ingenuity and teamwork, we eventually made it on the road. We took the Cat Life ferry and enjoyed a very nice 5-minute river cruise at sunrise. I'm gonna keep my bike on because it might not start again if I turn it off. Shit. The ferry took us across the river to an area called Dong Nai. Although not the most beautiful part, it had its charms, especially during the hustle of the early morning. We took Highway QL51 all the way to Bin Chao, mixing in with the much larger vehicles on the road. Be careful. We skipped most of the coast road on day one. The ride is not all urban, and it does get better the farther you get from Ho Chi Minh City.
Just cleaning my bag because I had a leak already. Right.
Hey, how far are we, Gary?
Huh?
How far are we?
We are
40 minutes from...
40 minutes from Lagi.
That's our stop, right?
Yeah, that's our stop for the day.
Yeah, we have 40 minutes left on this ride. We've been going for about 3.5, so... How long is that? 3.5?
You looked. I know you looked.
I didn't look. These roads are covered with awesome coffee shops to give your back and your butt a break. Jeremy said something to her that made her day. What a lady killer. Ciao. Look at that smile. We made it to Lagi, but we were not very fond of the camping setup in the area. You can check out Coco Beach Camp and Sunset Resort if you stay in Lagi. Coco was closed, so we went to check out Sunset Resort next door. If you do decide to camp at sunset, boy, is it an experience. You're in front of the bar and it's noisy and privacy is non-existent. I did camp here once and the local patrons used our tents as cover when they relieved their bladders on the beach. Piss tent, anyone?
Oh, buddy.
We ended up riding another hour north to Kega. Might I add, this was a much better choice by a long shot. It looks closed. Hello? Well, I called them, they were open. So we're not at the right spot.
Oh.
I think this is cool. There's got a fan in there. And you could open this up. Oh, it's nice and cool. The
Bao nhiêu?
Yeah.
How much? Bao nhiêu?
150k.
150.
Yeah.
150.
30 feet. 2,500.
Oh, yeah, that's the motherfucker.
thing is get 10.
It's the same thing.
It's the same thing. There's 1, 2, and then
Yeah.
there's 10s too.
Yeah, fun. Big one. And Kai by both for the big one.
I don't
I
care.
don't care, man. Which one do you want?
Since it was low season, we had the place to ourselves. It was majestic. One of the two downsides of this place were the dogs. Some were cool, some were just the worst.
Wow, look. Only fish and chocolate up there.
It's trash.
Like we're walking on the beach and towards over there,
As far as you can see. What you do is you got a knife in your hand.
you got cows on the beach. Like a whole herd of them.
Cut it. Put it in the line like play like rugby, like pass it down the line. That's it. And don't come and walk on it.
The beach in front of Lou Glamping was clean, but walk 50 meters down each way and you will see a ton of plastic and trash from the fishing village nearby, which is the second con of staying in this area. Seeing a beach like this is not uncommon in Vietnam. It's a shame, really.
Push.
Push, push, push.
Gotta take pictures. Yeah, Gary.
Gary! Woo! Oh, nice. Dang, they're going out tonight? Dang, they're going out tonight to fish, man.
Yeah, man.
That's kind of cool.
The negatives all get washed out though by the sunsets and the sounds of the waves you can enjoy here. So if you have the time, skip Lagi and head to Kega. Thanks for watching this video. Hit the like button, comment for any questions, and smash that subscribe button. Have a nice day.